Hello and welcome to Tech It Up Middle East Live at GITEX Global 2025, Middle East Africa's biggest technology exhibition. Here we are at ASBIS Middle East booth, and we have the Chief Technical Officer of ASBIS with us, Sergei Kostevitch. Let's talk to him and understand what what ASBIS is showcasing at GITEX.
Hi, Christian.
Sergei,
nice
it's a pleasure to meet you.
Same.
Well, we've been seeing something really interesting at ASBIS booth, AOS. Please tell us more about it.
Yeah, so we're bringing something very, very unique to the market at this stage. So we are really the only ones now making fully automated barista-quality 24/7 robotized coffee machine, Robo Café. You know? So we're working with the best manufacturer for the coffee machines, Victoria Arduino, serving you exactly like a normal barista would do. So taking the grinding the beans, stamping the coffee, pouring this perfect espresso shot, and serving the customers all the way through.
Great, thank you so much. Well, the Robo Café AOS, it looks like your own brand, ASBIS Robotics Solutions.
It is.
The tech behind it, can you please tell us more about the tech behind it?
Sure. So basically here, so even as I was always saying and joking around, it's like building a car. So inside it's 12,000 components.
Right.
More than 1,300 different parts, everything being assembled. And we have multiple assembly locations. It's done in Poland, it's done also in Cyprus. Now we're also expanding here to Dubai. So we're really thinking strongly to assemble here, because we see the market is definitely huge for the assembly part.
Right.
So it's the software, it's the hardware, it's the mechanical, it's the hydraulics, it's the pneumatic, it's everything together, build it up together. And definitely some of machine learning and AI is also done, because we also control how is the coffee being done, what's the pull-through rate as well, to make sure it's perfect serve every single time. For us, the most important on those things is consistency and quality. This is the two pillars that we always rely on for the customers. That's around it.
Great, thank you so much. And in terms of investment in the Middle East, now this looks like a huge setup, right? And it seems that it is not portable at the moment. It's not mobile at the moment. It is a setup which is stationed somewhere. As you said, there are more than 20,000 components that has taken to build this kind of a setup. What technological partnerships can be, what integrations can this use going forward as well?
So in terms of mobility, we have, so this can be lifted up with a forklift. Partially it was made sure it can be moved around. This is actually even from the banking system. They were saying, guys, it needs to be immovable. Okay. That means you can go with loans, you can offer it as well on an installment basis. That was one of the reasons as well. We have a solution now in the progress being done on the wheel, so like in a truck you can bring it over and work with it. Correct. In Europe we have solutions with the alcohol, with the spirits as well, and the beers, the draft beers, working with them as well. So we're working with Coca-Cola for the setups. Here we also have a unit with Pepsi. We had it in Abu Dhabi last year with IKEA as well. So it's basically from the fountain, you're serving the perfect serve for also with the Pepsi setup there. So integrations are definitely multiple. So everybody needs to be set up. We need the companies who are doing the milling, we need the companies who are doing laser cutting, we need the companies who are supplying us on the milks, basically the simple even the ingredients, the cabling, the electronics, the parts, the plastics, everything comes together, all comes together to build up those 12,000 components onwards to be working together on this one. This is the only way. I believe in partnership. This is what I see around GITEX as well.
Absolutely,
this is partnerships and collaborations, exactly. This is the way to go. Even here we partner up, this is why we're here as well. We're looking for partners to work together. We are the hardware manufacturer, the software manufacturer, the solution manufacturer. We want the partners who know the market for food and beverages industry to enter up and go around the different locations to set up the units.
Great, thank you. And last question, how does cloud play a big role in this setup?
Oh, definitely. My guys are sitting now in Cyprus enjoying it themselves with the Freddo espresso there while monitoring what's happening there. So in case anything happens, because we have locations, one in Saudi as well, in Spain, Poland, all of those spots, they're monitoring centrally. That's the advantage. I mean, you can be really mobile. I mean, they're really enjoying themselves there right now, just with a laptop, and they can monitor everything. So here it's more than just 1,000 sensors. They're all the time checking as well, and automated as well, obviously. But it's really allowing us then to be in the cloud and working on it. So over-the-air updates, anything needs to be updated. There are specifics, for example, for the local market, they want the temperature of the milk much higher. I can do it with a click, definitely. Some things need to be updated. It's super easy on these things. But cybersecurity is the key as well.
Absolutely, exactly. I was going to come to that, because it's the amount of data it will be generating and the data that will be stored how secure that would be. So
we're testing internally, so we have a cybersecurity team, but obviously we're asking also third-party companies to test it out. So we are working with different companies, from McAfee, Norton's as well, so they do testing for third party as well. So MQTT for us is the core. We've been working in the section of smart home for the past 8 years, so the platform for us is the same, and the core for us is the same as well, that was tested over the years. We work with telcos, they did their audits as well, and from those parts, we know what needs to be on those ones, and we did it over the regions. So it's always localized. The servers here are localized for that part. When we take it around Europe, it's local in Europe as well, in Germany. So we know those parts definitely over the experience from ASBIS part.
Great. Thank you so much, Sergei. It
Thank you.
was lovely
nice
having a chat
Same
with you, and we definitely want to see more and more of this in this part of the region.
We'll be doing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, that was Sergei Kostevitch, the Chief Technical Officer of ASBIS Middle East. You heard from him about the AROS solution, the ASBIS Robotics solutions. Do check it out. It's something that I've not seen before. So please do check it out. And thank you for watching. And do not forget to tech it up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Great. Cheers.